Black American hair and African hair are two different ball games. Their situation and the 4C over here.
That's when I realized that, no man, the issue is not the gel. The issue is the hair.
I'm gonna be really harsh, I'm sorry, but this is the dumbest video I've ever seen on this app. Ever. Caribbean hair is different than African American hair. That's different than African hair. What are you guys talking about? What are you talking about? No matter where you are, some people are gonna have a finer hair texture. Some people are gonna have a thicker hair texture. Some people are gonna have curlier hair. Some people are gonna have straight hair. It doesn't matter if you're just in Africa. Not everyone in Africa has the same hair texture. Not African Americans don't all have the same hair texture. Caribbean Americans don't all have the, wait, what are you saying? And yes, someone in Africa that was born and raised in Africa can have the same hair type as someone who was born in America and African American. Like, what do you, like, y'all are stressing me out. And I get it. You're going to say, oh, but colonization. Oh, yes, people were colonized everywhere, meaning everyone can have different hair textures, right? So the reason that you didn't get your slick back is probably because you didn't use the right tools, the right technique, the way to tie it down. There's things you need to do. It's not because you were born in Africa and African that you can't achieve a slick back because your hair is 7C or whatever you're gonna call it. Y'all are not making sense on this app. Quickly, where did most of us come from, originate from? Okay.